Hello guys, dito ako sa guys, dito naman ako ulit dito sa Dramin at binisita ko si Sophia at karating ko lang dito. So 7 o'clock ako nakarating ng gabi dito. Ayun, ang ganda pag summer dito sa Dramin, papakita ko sa inyo. Ganda guys, oh may bumagbubuting niya. Ayan. Parang pista dito sa guys, dito sa Norway pag summer, may mga carousel. Ayan. Dyan. Ang init na kasi dito. Ayan, may mga carousel. Kaya dyan kami magkikita bukas sa Sophia kasi may carousel. Yan, dito yung yung daanan yun sa tabi ng dagat. Ganda. Hindi naman masyadong malamig ngayon. Mahangin lang dito sa Dramin. Pero mainit naman ang simoy ng hangin. Hindi masyadong malamig. Maghanap kasi ako ng guys. Kakainan ko tonight. So, ayan. And may mga pwede naman magre-renta ng boat dyan. Dito ako sa dito ako sa after kong dumating sa hotel, dito ako sa sa Egon Restaurant. Kakain ako dito ng dinner. At ayan, nag-order na po ako. At pinantay ko na yung aking order. At ayan, nag-order ako ng yung papalamig kasi nakuha ako guys. Ito yung order ko guys, yung mango juice. Ayan, naantay ko pa ang ko. Ang order ko, hindi pa dumating. Ito po yung restaurant na tinatawag dito na Egon Restaurant sa Dramin. Itong restaurant na karamihan to na pangalan ng or maraming kaban itong Egon Restaurant. Meron din sa Tongnay, meron din dito sa Dramin. Ganda pa rin ng dito. Weather. Ayan guys, sobrang gutom ko. Nalimutan kong mag-video. Nagsimula na akong kumain. Ayan ang fish yung in-order ko. Ganda na guys, oh. Tulip. Ayan. Garden ng tulips dito. Okay, tapos na akong kumain ng dinner guys. Balik na ako dito sa hotel. Dami ding dito. Nagbakasyon. Dami ng mga guests dito sa hotel na to. First floor ako guys, dati 5 floor. Pero the same lang ang ko hotel na pinag-check-inan ko noong pumunta ako dito at nagbisita kay Sophia. So ngayon first floor, dati 5 floor ako. Uwi na ako guys. Nabusog na ako. 25, ito po yung room ko guys, 25. So, ito po yung ko guys, room ko. Yan, maganda rin. Ayan. Family bed, kahit yung isa lang tayo. Ayan, maganda naman ang dito. May dyan. May bintana. Hawiin lang tong kurtina. Ayan. Ayan, may upuan dyan. Ito, lalagyan ng sapatos. Ayan, lagyan natin tong sapatos ko guys. Galing. Yan, lagyan ng patos. Tapos may salamin sila dito. Ayan. Tapos ito yung nila. Ang ganda, malaki yung nila, yung toilet nila or bathroom. Ayan. Yan guys, magpahinga na ako guys kasi bukas mag-ano kami ni Sophia, magkikita kami ni Sophia bukas ng ng maaga. So mag alas 9 na ng gabi dito. Ayan, tumirik, may araw pa rin. Kaya galing ako kumain ng dinner doon sa restaurant. Hindi ko. Tapos ayan, babalik na ako ngayon at kakabalik ko lang dito sa room ko at magpahinga. Ayan, para bukas ipasal ko yung anak ko si Sophia. Ilang mga breakfast dire guys. Yan akong breakfast guys.
Baby Odin. Odin and baby.
Yeah, yes.
Marami na rin kumakain guys ngayong umaga. 8 o'clock dito na ako. Marami rin kumakain. Let's eat guys, let's eat. Hello guys, dito na si Sophia. Ang ganda ng anak ko. Oh, so beautiful. Say hi to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Yan guys, dito kami sa you want there? Okay.
Wait, what, Mom? We gotta buy some like tablets and stuff.
Okay.
It's like tickets. You gotta buy tickets, remember?
Yeah. Love you.
Love you too.
So we're gonna buy a ticket there? Okay. Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
I was saying,
What
maybe
is
we
that?
should just buy 5 tickets.
5 tickets?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then we don't have to go back
Oh,
over
okay,
and over
okay.
again.
Okay.
5 tickets is good.
Okay.
Because after I do the 1 ticket thing, I want to go back to those 2.
Okay.
The 2 scary rides.
Yeah.
And my heart was pounding. I was like, what do I do? I'm gonna fall. And then I heard like the teenager kids were like saying the cursing, like saying the F word and stuff. And I was like, oh my god, I'm scared. And like I thought it was just gonna go around like that, but then it turned upside down and then did the whole thing. And I was panicking. I was like, what do I do? I got so.
Ayan si Sophia guys kasi mag-ano siya dyan. Magsakay siya ng ano ba yun? Roller coaster. Ayun, nandoon kanina, no, sumakay siya doon sa isang, ano bang tawag doon, napaka, dito yung, guys, napakaganda ng, dito, Dramin. Ayan. Ayan, may, dito, may People's Park sila dito, ang ganda. Ayan. Ito talaga sentro ng Dramin, guys. At, yan. Ganda ng panahon ngayon. Yan. Yan, yung carousel doon po. Ang carousel, laki ng carousel nila dito. Ayan. Daming, pag tuwing summer kasi, guys, ay talagang may carousel talaga every city. Yan. Kahit saang lugar. Ito ng Trondheim, meron din doon. Kaya, yan ang po, parang pistahan nga. Ayan. Yan, may mga din doon, ito, People's Park to nila eh. Yan. Yan na. So guys, tapos na kami doon sa carousel at pupunta kami ng McDonald's at kakain kami ng
Cotton candy.
yeah. Nagutom na si Sophia at yan, binilhan ko siya ng napakalaking candy. Sobrang saya ni Sophia, guys. Laki na yung anak ko, dalaga na talaga. Delicious. You can eat, don't eat that everything. You will get a diabetic.
No.
Yan, na-enjoy yung bata doon sa carousel na nagdahan ko sa kanya, guys. Super na-enjoy yung anak ko. Ayan, guys, sobrang napakaganda ng weather dito sa Dramin. Ayan. Ganda talaga. May nagbubuting. Yan. Ganda ng weather today talaga. Daming mga taong nag-ano. Kasi Sunday dito, guys eh. So guys, we're gonna eat McDonald's. Yan. Ito kami, guys. Kakain muna kami ni Sophia ng McDonald's. Sophia's favorite, I think. Ayan. What would you like to drinks or eat?
I would like fries and chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Medium fries. 9 chicken nuggets.
Okay.
And then probably ice cream and Coca-Cola.
Okay. You don't want this caramel or
No,
something?
thank you.
Okay. So we gonna order now.
Yeah.
Okay. So ito yung order namin, guys. Nag-order kami ng chicken nuggets. Ito kay Sophia at itong fried chicken. Kuha ka dun. Tapos ito si Sophia nag-order ng ice cream. What is this?
It's a McFlurry.
Okay, and ito yung guys. Fried rice. Ay, fried rice. French fries. At ito sa akin, itong small hamburger. At itong aking na to? Mexes na. Yeah, tapos pula. Ame.
rico.
Lami.
Yummy.
Put her. And what is this? You have also hot wings?
Yeah, that's hot wings.
You like that?
Not so much, but look hot wings. The
Mm.
chicken.
I think this is yours.
No, it's okay. I
Okay.
don't eat so much. I don't eat this much.
So we order a lot of wings.
Yeah.
My God, I can eat that everything.
Wait, that's a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all right. You can do that.
Look, a pigeon. I had to.
You want to feeding the pigeon?
Yes.
Then you into your foods.
I'm not hungry.
Nah. Shit. Nakain niya yung ano guys, yung lumang tap kalapati.
Well, I hope the pigeons are fed.
Yeah, they're happy.
It's a
Because
whole
they give me a
frenzy.
lot of foods.
You see how much they're eating? They're eating all my chicken nuggets. That ain't good.
Ganda dito sa damin, guys. Daming makakita ng magandang mga ano. Mga yung mga ano sa mga tourist at mga tourist na mga building and yung mga ano talaga.
Well, what's the time?
Hmm?
Well, what's the time?
Yeah, it's now it's we have 1 hour left, so we can you can sit there. I take some picture.
What happens if I fall down there?
It's you're gonna die
How?
because they're very deep and the water is tracking you.
Oh. Well, I'm not strong. Oh, I see it. Look. It's like, you see the water, it's going kind of downwards. And the streams are really...
Yeah. This is a very, very strong water.
Yeah. We should be careful. Let's go, everyone.
Yeah.
You know what? Did you notice something? I'm wearing white shoes, white shorts, white top,